Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at an incredible AI-powered platform called Neural Frames. If you've ever wanted to create stunning AI-generated music videos without spending hours editing, this tool might be exactly what you're looking for. Neural Frames is designed to help creators generate unique music videos, visualizers, and animated visuals with the power of AI, making the entire process simple and beginner-friendly. Getting started is easy. Just click the link in the description and create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the dashboard where you can begin creating your first project. Click on the Create Video button and you'll be taken to the Setup screen. Here, you can either upload your own music track or choose from available audio options. After selecting your song, you can customize important settings such as video duration, aspect ratio, and preset configurations. If you want a specific character to appear throughout the video, you can upload an image, but this step is completely optional. Next, you'll need to describe your video concept. This is where the AI gets its creative direction, so be as detailed as you like. Once you've entered your idea, save the project and move on to the visual style selection. Neural Frames offers a wide range of styles including cinematic, soft anime, pencil sketch, horror, cyberpunk, dark fantasy, and many more. Choose the style that best matches your music and creative vision. After selecting a style, click Create Video. You'll then be asked to choose the type of video you want to generate. Options include classic videos, lyric videos, and vocal videos. For this demonstration, I'm going to select the classic video option. The platform then provides additional controls such as storyboard guidance, transition effects, character settings, and rendering options. For video generation models, you can choose from different AI engines, including Seedance 1.5 and the newer Seedance 2.0. I'll select Seedance 2.0 for the best quality results. Once everything is configured, Neural Frames will begin creating the initial scene images based on your music and prompt. After the images are generated, you can review them, make adjustments if needed, and then click Create Motion. The AI will transform the images into a fully animated music video. Depending on the length and complexity of the project,
flicker on the wall, it moves so slow. Your shadow dances where I cannot go. The air is heavy with words unsaid.
as you can see, the visuals perfectly match the mood and rhythm of the song, creating a professional-looking music video with very little effort. If you're happy with the results, simply click the download button and export your video in resolutions ranging from 720p and 1080p all the way up to stunning 4K quality. If you don't already have a track, simply enter a description of the type of music you want, select your preferred mood and genre, and let the AI create an original song. Once your music is generated, you can immediately use it to create a matching video. To demonstrate another workflow, let's create a lyric video. Choose your preferred duration and aspect ratio, and then select the lyric video option. Enter your video concept, adjust the settings, and generate the starting images. Once you're satisfied with the visuals, create the motion sequence and let Neural Frames render the final video. In just a short time, you'll have a fully animated lyric video that synchronizes perfectly with your music. Overall, Neural Frames is an incredibly powerful platform for musicians, content creators, and anyone looking to produce eye-catching AI-generated music videos without complex editing software. Whether you're creating visualizers, lyric videos, or full cinematic music videos, the platform makes the entire process fast, creative, and accessible. If you'd like to try it for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.